Hey, Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on the digital marketing opportunity, Easy One-Up. The ability to earn 100% commissions and get paid all the way up to $2,000 may be interesting you. Maybe you saw a post on Facebook about this. Nonetheless, you're here right now, and what I want to do inside of this video is I want to share with you more information on this powerful opportunity, as well as the incredible bonuses you can get when you decide to join me today. Okay, now real quick, I want to share that on the screen you can see just some of the commissions that I've been able to generate on a daily basis. You can see right here that this Vertex Elite, which is one of the levels inside of Easy One-Up, which pays you $500 per commission instantly paid. I was able to receive this, okay, at 6:29 p.m. I believe I was eating dinner, and this commission came in on total autopilot just using the strategies that I teach my new members when they decide to join me. Now you can see over here, hello Garrett, okay, you received a Powerline payment amount of $1,000. This $1,000, again, this was Vertex Pro, which is a different level inside of Easy One-Up. Each level has differing training, and whatever level you come in at allow you to earn at that level and below. So it's great to position yourself the highest level you can so you don't miss out on any commissions. And again, I was able to generate this just using very simple strategies on social media, sites like Facebook, sites like Instagram, and it's totally powerful and possible. See, I was just a waiter a few years ago, and I was struggling to make ends meet. I was swimming in debt. I had never done anything like this before. I wasn't very technical. I had dropped out of college, and I was able to lock arms with a mentor, someone that I knew, someone that I trusted, someone that I liked, and in a very short period of time, applying the simple strategies I learned from him, my whole life was able to change, and I made a decision that I was going to help other people as well. But you can see, right here, guess what, Garrett? You're on the leaderboard, okay? So again, when you join me today through Easy One-Up, you're gonna be rest assured that you're joining someone that is getting proven results. To be on the leaderboard out of hundreds and hundreds of people in the company is no easy task, and it became easy though once you apply these simple strategies. And it's not just me. You can see this guy that joined me recently. He said, Garrett, my sales have been increasing so much. I am finally about to quit my job and do this full time. Thank you for everything. Okay, incredibly powerful testimonial right there. This guy, again, brand new to promoting a business, a direct sales business online, but just using the simple strategies that you'll get access to when you partner with me today, he was able to be in a position where he could quit his job. Maybe you're working a job right now, or maybe you're at home and you don't have a way to make income, right? Maybe you're worried, bills may be piling up for you. Well, how would you feel if you could get your hand on strategies that are proven to work, right? To share another testimonial I received on Facebook, hey Garrett, just wanted to tell you, in the bonuses you share, I used one of your Facebook posts, shared it Saturday morning. Very soon after that, I started getting a lot of responses. To top it off today, one person went into the first income stream, the first level, and signed up, right? Your training works, okay? So this guy, again, wonderful guy, teammate, joined through me, applied the proven training to just simply copy and paste ads on social media. When he did that, he started getting responses and someone already signed up, okay? So this is absolutely incredible, and it doesn't matter your age, your background, you can do this with Easy One-Up. Now, how do you find out more information about Easy One-Up? How do you join? What are the different levels? There's gonna be a link or button underneath this video. When you click that, you should get taken to a page that looks something like this, okay? This is my website, and you wanna watch this video. I break down in simple terms kind of what I'm doing in this video. And then what you wanna do is watch this short video here. It's a 7-minute video, and it breaks down, okay, Easy One-Up, and they go through and they break down how it works. The beautiful thing about this business is, again, when you make a commission, you don't have to wait, a week, a month to receive the money. When you make a commission, you get that money into your bank account instantly, and you can choose how you want to get paid. You can get paid through PayPal, MoneyGram, Stripe. Okay, there's lots of different ways that you can receive the money you make when you refer people to this business. Now, there's many different levels you can choose from, okay, to come in at once you're on the website. Now, you want to realize an answer to a question that I share, because a lot of people ask me, Garrett, what level is best for me to come in at? You want to realize, these levels are a one-time investment, okay? So there's no monthly fees with this business, which is another thing people love, which is another reason so many people from all four corners of the world get started with this. But essentially, you want to realize that it's dependent on how much money you want to make a month, okay? So I always ask the people that I'm helping, the people that I'm coaching, what's your goal? How much money do you actually want to make per month? And it varies. Often people want to make anywhere from about $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month. Now let's assume, let's say, $5,000 a month to make it even lower, right? But you may have, $10,000. That was always my goal, $10,000 a month. It's a very even and simple goal to focus on. But let's say, it's even $5,000 a month. Well, how many sales would you need at the $25 level? Well, let's say $5,000 goal divided by $25 commissions, because real quick, whatever level you come in at, you can only earn at that level. Okay, so at the $25 level, when you join and pay that $25 and the $5 admin fee to the company, you can only earn $25, right? If you come in at the $100 level, you can earn $100 and $25. So you can earn at the level you come in at and below. You come in at the $500 level, you can earn $500 commissions all the way down to $25 commissions, okay? Now let's say you just came in at the $25 level and you had a $5,000 income goal, okay? You would need 200 sales a month to hit that $25 or that $5,000 goal, okay? That $5,000 goal. That's an enormous amount of sales, okay? And it's really gonna be difficult for you, if impossible. Now, contrast that, let's say you're watching this video and you decide to come in at the $500 level, or let's say you have the resources to, find or borrow the $1,000 to join at the Vertex Pro level, which is a very popular level, okay? Let's say you join at the $1,000 level, okay? $5,000 income goal per month divided by the 1,000, okay? 5, right? 5 sales, 5 referrals, 5 commissions a month is all you would need to hit your income goal of $5,000 a month. So it's way more easy to join at a higher level and make fewer sales than to try to just get your feet wet and then make hundreds of sales. And it's not any more difficult to actually sell a higher priced product. It just comes down to using the proven strategies. And again, on my website, you'll see what each level, okay, includes, what training. But inside of the training, you learn strategies to actually attract people that have more money to invest at the higher levels, okay? So you want to realize that it's not any more difficult. Now, when you are ready to join, let's say you decide to join at the Vertex Pro level, you just click Get Access Now, and you'll get taken to this page. All you want to do is you want to fill out this form, okay, to create an account inside of Easy One Up through me, so you can get access to these different bonuses, okay? And once you create an account and you finish signing up, you'll be redirected to a website inside the Easy One Up website where you can choose the level that you want to come in at, okay? So it's absolutely powerful. And as soon as you do that, you're going to be able to get added to our private Facebook group where we're constantly sharing tips, coaching, inspiration to get you where you want to be. Now, if you're watching this and you have any questions, feel free to go to my Facebook and private message me. I'll be sure to answer any questions you have about this business and getting started. My Facebook's facebook.com/GarrettB20. Okay, Garrett B20. Go there, send me a message, and again, I'll be sure to reply, as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is creating results for people all over the world. Take action. Action is the key word. Go down below, get started, and I look forward to working with you very soon. Take care.